To submit documents to Coinbase for account approval, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your submission is successful. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Access your Coinbase account by entering your credentials on the Coinbase website or app. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to the verification section. Once logged in, go to the account settings or verification section. This area is typically found in your profile menu, where you can manage your account details and verification status. Step 3. Select document submission. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Upload required documents. Follow the prompts to upload the necessary documents. Commonly required documents include a government-issued ID and proof of address. Ensure that the documents are clear and legible before uploading. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading your documents, review your submission for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the documents for review. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your documents are being processed. After completing these steps, wait for Coinbase to review your documents. You will be notified via email or through the app once your account has been approved or if further action is needed.